Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a photo collage on your Instagram story. Alright guys, first of all, let's just create an Instagram story. We can tap on your story right here to upload a photo to our Instagram story. Then you can click on the select button or the select option right here. Then you're going to select some photos from your gallery that you want to make a photo collage. And for example, I'm just going to select this photo. We can tap on the circle to select the photo like this. Okay, and after you're done selecting the photo, you can click on next option. And hold on guys, it's still loading. Okay, and you can select the layout option to create a photo collage. Okay, and you can edit the layout before you post the story. So you can select the layout that you like, and there are two options for you, and I'm just going to select this layout, and after that we can tap on done. Okay, and we can edit this layout or the story before we post it. We can add tag, sticker, or music. It's up to you. And if you want to upload this photo collage to your story, you just need to click on your story right here, and the photo collage will be uploaded to your Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a photo collage on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.